What would happen if you were raised by African wild dogs, the most successful hunters on Earth, your entire life? Day 1. You wake in a sandy den, nestled against the warm, patterned fur of your new family. Day 3. You learn the sneeze. It's how the pack votes to hunt. You sneeze, and the pack moves. Year 1. Unlike lions, this pack lets the young eat first. You grow strong, protected by 40 loyal siblings. Year 4. You are built for endurance. You run miles across the savanna, communicating through bird-like chirps and whistles. Year 8. Sentry duty. Atop a termite mound, your crystal eyes spot a predator miles away. One bark, and everyone vanishes. Year 18. You are the lead strategist. You don't need weapons. With 20 dogs at your side, you coordinate the perfect ambush. Year 22. Scientists try to rescue you, but you just stare. You can't speak, but one sneeze tells the pack it's time to go.